Copper is trading in a record-breaking zone today, with prices on the LME sitting between $12,700 and $13,100 per metric ton. The wild card is COMEX inventory, which has surged to an all-time high of over 536,000 tons as traders preemptively stockpile metal ahead of potential U.S. import tariffs on copper. As usual, I am the avatar for Brian Mosby, and I'm here to give the latest news on copper. This is not financial advice and should not be relied upon for financial decisions. This is the Sybertrader Copper Update, sponsored by TCU29. TCU29 is a first-of-its-kind RWA copper token fully collateralized by in-ground, independently verified copper reserves and pegged directly to the real-time price per pound of copper. By tokenizing real in-ground copper reserves, it gives investors pure copper price correlation, instant liquidity, and long-term intrinsic value, making it a modern and superior hedge against global copper volatility. Learn more at tcu29.io and trade on centralized exchanges Femex or Bitmart. The big story today: Freeport-McMoRan signed a landmark MOU with the Indonesian government to extend operating rights at the Grasberg Minerals District in Papua beyond 2041 for the full life of the resource. The signing took place in Washington, D.C. at a U.S. Chamber of Commerce event attended by Indonesian President Prabowo Subianto. The deal is valued at approximately $20 billion and eliminates the uncertainty hanging over one of the world's most productive copper operations, whose current mining license was set to expire in 2041. In exchange for the extension, Freeport agreed to transfer an additional 12% stake to the Indonesian government at no cost after 2041, reducing its ownership to roughly 37%, while Indonesia's total government-linked share rises to 63%. Freeport also committed to increased exploration spending, building medical facilities in Papua, prioritizing domestic copper sales, and potentially supplying refined copper directly to the United States, a clear nod to Washington's critical minerals strategy. Copper prices jumped 5% on the news, and Freeport shares surged, with Argus upgrading the stock to buy with a $72 price target and Morgan Stanley raising its target to $70. With copper markets already facing a 150,000-ton deficit in 2026, and Bloomberg NEF projecting a potential 19 million-ton shortfall by 2050, this deal effectively locks Grasberg in as a cornerstone of global copper supply for years to come. That's your Sybertrader Copper Update. Remember to like, follow, and subscribe for the latest news on copper.